Have you ever wondered about the best places to visit in Yibin, China? Nestled in the southern part of Sichuan province, Yibin is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. With a rich history that dates back to the ancient Shang dynasty, Yibin is a city where the past and the present converge in a harmonious blend. Known as the first city along the mighty Yangtze River, Yibin is a place of stunning natural beauty and cultural significance. From the verdant bamboo forests stretching as far as the eye can see, to the distinctive local cuisine and the world-renowned Wuliangye liquor, Yibin is a feast for the senses. But what truly sets Yibin apart is its warm and welcoming people. Their hospitality is as inviting as the city itself, making every visitor feel like they've found a home away from home. With so much to offer, Yibin is certainly worth the visit. Now let's dive into the top 5 places you simply can't miss when in Yibin. Starting at number 5, we have the Shunan Bamboo Sea. This expansive sea of verdant bamboo stretches as far as the eye can see, creating an ethereal and tranquil landscape that is a sight to behold. Nestled in the southern region of Sichuan province, the Shunan Bamboo Sea holds a special place in Chinese culture, often featured in ancient poetry and classic films. As you meander through this lush bamboo forest, you'll encounter a myriad of wonders: the melodic rustling of bamboo leaves, the cool, refreshing air, and the sight of sunlight filtering through the dense canopy. Visitors can also expect to be captivated by the area's stunning waterfalls, hidden caves, and serene lakes. The region is not just a natural wonder, but also a hub for adventure. From bamboo rafting to scenic hikes, the Shunan Bamboo Sea offers various activities that make every visit memorable. The Shunan Bamboo Sea is truly a sight to behold, a paradise for nature lovers. Coming in at number 4 is the Wuliangye Liquor Museum. This isn't just any museum, it's a step into the past, a journey through the rich history of Chinese liquor production. Nestled in the heart of Yibin, the Wuliangye Liquor Museum is more than a mere collection of artifacts. It's a testament to the time-honored tradition of liquor making in China. This museum takes you on a fascinating exploration of the brewing techniques that have been perfected over centuries. It serves as a living repository of the art and science of distillation, showcasing the meticulous process that goes into each bottle of Wuliangye liquor. But the Wuliangye Liquor Museum is not all about the past. It also showcases the advancements in modern brewing technology, creating a unique blend of tradition and innovation. It's a place where history meets modernity, where age-old practices meet cutting-edge technology. This museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in the rich history of Chinese liquor production. Next on our list at number 3 is the Shingeng Stone Sea. This geological marvel is a maze of karst formations, a unique landscape that's a testament to the power of nature over millions of years. The Stone Sea sprawls across an area of over 200 square kilometers, dominated by towering stone peaks, deep gorges, and intricate cave systems. These natural wonders are more than just eye candy. They tell a fascinating story of our planet's history, a tale etched in stone that unfolds as you traverse the vast expanse of the Stone Sea. Visitors can venture into the subterranean world of the Stone Sea's caves, where stalactites and stalagmites create a mesmerizing spectacle. Or take a leisurely walk along the gorges, where the sheer cliffs and bizarre stone formations make for an unforgettable experience. The Shingeng Stone Sea is a geological wonder that will leave you in awe. It's not just a place to visit, but a journey into the heart of our planet's past. At number 2, we have the Liang Ancient Town, a captivating realm folded in the arms of history. Liang Ancient Town is a testament to China's rich past. This town is no ordinary place, it's a living, breathing museum, brimming with historical and cultural significance. Once upon a time, Liang was a bustling hub of education and culture, and today, it continues to echo the stories of its illustrious past. One of the most striking features of the town is its unique architecture. As you stroll down the narrow lanes, you'll find yourself surrounded by quaint houses, charming courtyards, and intricate wooden carvings. Each building stands as a beautiful relic of the Ming and Qing dynasties, an architectural style that has stood the test of time. But what can visitors do in Liang Ancient Town? Well, It's a place where you can immerse yourself fully in the culture and history. You can visit the old academy where scholars once gathered to share knowledge. You can explore the ancient temples, each holding their own unique charm and mystery. You can sample local delicacies, each bite a celebration of the town's rich culinary tradition. Or you can simply wander the streets, soaking in the serene atmosphere and letting the town's timeless charm wash over you. Liang Ancient Town offers a journey back in time, a window into China's rich past. And finally, at number 1, we have the breathtaking Cuiping Mountain. This stunning mountain is not just a geographical marvel, but also a symbol of Yibin's natural beauty. Cuiping Mountain stands tall and proud, a sentinel over the city, offering panoramic views that are nothing short of a visual symphony. The journey to the top is a thrilling adventure in itself. As you climb, you'll be accompanied by the rustling whispers of the wind, the soft crunch of gravel underfoot, and the sweet, earthy scent of nature. The higher you ascend, the more spectacular the view becomes until you reach the summit and are rewarded with an unparalleled vista of Yibin's cityscape, intertwined with the enchanting serpentine flow of the Yangtze and Minjiang rivers. But Cuiping Mountain is not just about the view. It's a place of tranquility and reflection where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature. You can hike the numerous trails, picnic amidst the greenery, or simply sit and let the serene ambiance wash over you. For the more adventurous, there's also the opportunity to explore hidden caves and waterfalls, each with their own unique charm and story. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, an adventurer, or someone seeking peace and tranquility, Cuiping Mountain has something for everyone. Cuiping Mountain, the crown jewel of Yibin, offers an unforgettable experience, a feast for the eyes. So there you have it, the top 5 places to visit in Yibin, China. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started off by exploring the emerald beauty of the Shunan Bamboo Sea, a vast forest of bamboo that whispers tales of ancient China. Then we dove into the rich history and science of Chinese liquor at the Wuliangye Liquor Museum. Our journey then took us to the Shingeng Stone Sea, a natural wonder that left us awestruck with its magnificent karst formations. We stepped back in time when we visited Liang Ancient Town, soaking in its traditional architecture and rich cultural heritage. And finally, we reached the peak of our journey at Cuiping Mountain, marveling at the breathtaking panorama of Yibin City. Each of these places offers a unique piece of the Yibin experience. So why wait? Pack your bags and explore the hidden gem of China, Yibin.